Hey guys, welcome back with another brand new strategy. In this video, I'm going to share with you the Java button promotion method that can definitely work for you. And you can promote affiliate links for absolutely free with free traffic and free training on this video. I'm going to share with you step by step how to choose the product, how to copy the link, how to make a free landing page, and how to just choose the proper free traffic which get billions of people right here on the platform, and you can make money directly from the US traffic, United States traffic, and also United Kingdom, Canada traffic as well right here on this video. So I'm going to share with you step by step that how you can do that. You just need to watch the video to the very end to not miss any single part of the strategy. If you miss, then you will be confused and you will not fully understand that how exactly this method and this strategy is working. So before starting the method, I would just request you to hit the like button as an appreciation for this video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that right here. So let's begin the strategy. And if you want to make a full-time income right here and see the full training, then check out the first link in the description of this video and you will be redirected to a page that you can simply learn all the pros, cons, tips, tricks, and strategy and bonuses for how to make money online, getting passive income, and working from home. You just need to click the first link in the description of this video and you will be redirected to satisfying page right there. So let's begin the strategy that how it is working. The first and important thing is that you need to sign up with the clickbank.com. Once you sign up with that, then you can simply log into your account and you will definitely just visit to this page right here and make sure that you go to the marketplace and you will see this page available right here. You can simply scroll down and you will see the Java button pit or Java burn actually that you can simply see here, and it's a weight loss product that you can simply promote. They will pay as $116 for sales and 580 plus is the gravity, which is a great amount of the gravity right here. So here is the sales page and here is the affiliate tools area that what we have. So this is a really accurate sales page. If we just redirect people into that, so they will definitely convert into this page right here. So how we can promote it, I will show you step by step right here that you can redirect people to this page right here. So this is the affiliate tools area. If you want to learn more, so you will visit to this page and you can learn more about this a product right here, and they can also definitely help you for promoting this offer right here. So the first step is that once we choose the product right here, the first step will be that we simply go to Google and we just tap telegraph.ph. Once we tap, we will have the first link to the graph right here and we just need to click on that. Basically, once you click on that, you will be redirected to this page right here. Basically, it is a free landing builder actually for absolutely free that we can have a free landing page with accurate page. So it is actually a free one page website that we can promote our product anywhere we want, so we can simply promote it right here. So they just require the title, description, and other thing. So for that purpose, you can use design article and you can grab the articles from there and you can paste it right here. Or otherwise, if you are just promoting a simple way, then you just need to go to the sales page of Java Burn and you just need to grab an offer right here, or you just need to, for example, grab, for example, the things right here. So here is the link, for example, the Java Burn, for example. You can simply see here Java burn for over 80% off today. We can simply just go back right here to Telegram and we can simply type, for example, Java burn for 80%. Okay, 80% off today. Okay, so we can simply just type it like that. This will be the title, and then you can simply go back right here and we can simply scroll down and we can simply copy this text from here. Okay, let me just copy from here and we can simply just go back right here to Telegraph and just paste it right here. So once we paste right here, then we can simply give a call to action button. For example, if you want to learn more about this amazing product, for example, click here. Okay, you can simply tell people that click here. So for that way, we just need to go to the affiliate tools area, sorry, the Clickbank, and we just need to click on the promote button. Once we click on the promote button right here, we will have another page which will require the Clickbank ID. I can simply add my Clickbank ID, but for you, you can add your one. So here we can simply use telegraph, something like that, and click on generate hop link, then copy the link from here, then use then come back right here to telegraph, and then make sure that you selected this one and click on the link and just paste your link right here and make sure that it's bold, that people can understand that this is a link. And if you want to add the image right here, for example, you can also add the image by just clicking this image. So before just clicking the adding the image, you just need to go to Google and just type before and after weight loss. So here you will have a plenty of images for absolutely free. You can simply download anyone you are interested with that. You can simply download. Once you download, then you can simply come back right here, just click on this camera icon and then simply choose this one, for example. So this would be the image that we can simply use it for absolutely free right here. So once you are done with that, then you simply click on the publish. Once you click on the publish, our uh, landing page will be ready. So here you can simply see here the title. This is the date, for example. This is the other text, for example, that we can simply add it right here. Here is a call to action button. If anybody click, so they will be redirected. And the coolest part is here that they are a clickable link right here, and then this is the image. So if you want to promote, we just need to copy the main link from the top right here and go to bit.ly and just click on this link, create, and then paste the link right here, click on the create. Once you click on the create, this page will be pop up right here and that will be shown. Then we can simply copy this link and we can simply promote it right here. So once we set up each and everything, the next step is that you simply go to Pinterest. Once you go to the Pinterest, you just type in the search word, for example, weight loss, something like that, weight lose or something like that. Once you type, you can simply search, and then you can simply see here the different icons and different people that they have posted similar contents and they are promoting. So we can also promote similar things like that. So if I just click on any one of these right here, so they will be redirecting me to another page right here, so that they are using or promoting. So if I just click on their username right here, so it means that they have only 9,000 followers but 111,000 monthly views they are getting. So it means that this contest is trending and many people are using a weight loss product on Pinterest and they are getting something. Pinterest is getting monthly visiting from, let me show you that how many visitors are coming to Pinterest each single month. So we can simply see here that 943 million people are coming, mean almost a billion people are coming each single month to this website right here. And most of the traffic is coming from the United States, Brazil, India, Argentina, and Poland, which are all the greatest countries that we can simply promote our offers. So here we need to set up and just sign up for a free account right here. Once we sign up, then we can simply click on the create option, and then we can simply click on the create pin right here. So that will simply, and we can simply use similar contents on this website and just link back into our weight loss product right here. So how we can create the pin, something like this pin, something, let me just show you. Uh, Lose weight, for example, we can simply type how we can create a similar and professional, for example, pins like this right here for absolutely free. And for that way, you just need to go to 𝐶𝐍𝐈𝐐𝐤.com right here, and you can simply just sign up for a free account right here. So it's a free design software for absolutely free that you need to sign up. Then you can simply type in the search at Pinterest pin, and then you will be visited to this page right here. So you can simply just choose any template you want. For example, you can simply use that template and you can start promoting your contents on this page right here for absolutely free. So you can simply just select one of these, or even you can simply choose, for example, from a blank page and you can design yourselves for that. So these are all the free images and, sorry, the free templates right here. that we can simply use and start promoting our product with that right here. So let me just choose one of these right here. Okay. Okay, let me choose this one. So once I choose this one right here, then I can simply just go to upload option right here and then click on the upload. And here is the image I have already downloaded from the Google before and after weight loss image. You can design yourself. You can change the color if you want, for example, to any color you want. So you can simply do it that. Then you can simply grab it that right here, and we can simply, if you want to edit, you can simply just edit it right here, for example, like this way. You just need to edit it right here. Okay, and here you can give on the top, you can give a call to action button, something like, for example, learn more by clicking the image, something like that. You can simply tell people. Let me just scroll down to the bottom. I can simply remove this, simply remove other things right here. Okay, then you can simply just edit it. If you want to change uh, the text size or something like that, you can simply change into your own one. It doesn't matter. For example, anyone you want, for example, you can simply just edit it. You want to make it bold, change the color, make it bigger, smaller, something like that. So it depends on you. If you want to change, for example, the line space, for example, you can simply change it. If you want to make it bigger, so you can do it like that. So once you set up this, the next step will be that you simply just download this image right here by just clicking the download button. So just make sure that you just click on the download. So once you click on the download right here, so it will be downloaded automatically right here, and then you can simply go back right here and just grab this and drop it right here. It will post it, and then simply tell people um, uh, learn how I lose weight without exercise, something like that. Okay, without exercise, something like that. And here in the description you can tell people, for example, for more details click on the image, something like that. Okay, on the image to learn more. Okay, and if you want, you can use the hashtags, for example, lose weight. It will be great because you will be found and the other people search. uh, you can use something like belly fat. Once you are finished with that, then you can simply scroll down and you can add a link right here. So for the link, you just need to go to bit.ly because we have already shortened the link with bit.ly. So we can simply just copy this link from here, and we simply paste the link right here, and then we can simply choose the board, for example, help anyone you want. For example, you can change if you want, but if you don't want, then you can simply click on the publish. Once you click on the publish right here, so it will be published and live on this page right here, and from all over the world people can watch our fan and they can click on that. Whenever people are interested, they can simply just click right here. You created a pin right here. As you can simply see here, you can simply see that how it looks for other people when they are watching. So you can simply see here that this is the link, this is the title, here is the description, and here is the link. Whenever people just click on this image right here, so they will be redirected to the telegraph image in the telegraph page, which will be this one right here. So whenever people just click on this page, so they will be redirected to this page right here. So it is a free landing page topic source, pre a free method and free strategy that you learn for absolutely free. So many times people are using and spending a lot of money on landing page that they are creating, and they are investing money on that. So they embed a link into a landing page with they purchase from other people, something like ConvertKit and others, and then they are promoting their offers. But this method is absolutely free. You can use Telegraph for absolutely free. Once you just create a link right here, or you just created a page right here, then you can simply just copy the link and go to Bitly and shorten the link, and then you can simply come back right here and paste it right here, and you can simply promote by that way. So hope you like the method and you are interested with that. If you like it, please don't forget to hit the like button for this video as an appreciation. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So if you want to learn more about how to make money online and getting passive income and working from home, then check out the first link in the description of this video, and you will learn each and everything, and that will be a proper and full training for you. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.